Hey guys, it's my birthday today, and I'm a little late posting. I thought I would give you some, I don't know, notes on navigation with my kid sitting in my lap, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, so I posted these on the classroom, but I don't know, I thought I should kind of talk about what it is. Please don't grab those while I talk. Alright, so a bearing, right? I know you can read for yourself. But it's an angular direction given by a magnetic compass. So anytime we talk about a bearing, we are talking in degrees. And I know you can read for yourself here. This is probably one of the worst videos in the world. Oh my God. And I'm just kind of hoping it's going to focus here. This isn't even funny. Okay, 0 degrees is the north, and everything is measured clockwise. All right? So here's your directional compass. I'm going to flip the page to the next note. Again, really apologize. I'm doing the best I can. Okay, so you have your points. Again, north is 0 degrees. East, really big key points to, oh my God. East is 90 degrees, south is 180, and west is 270. I highlighted all the things really that you need to focus in on here, the notes that I posted. True bearing to a point. So sometimes you might see that word in a word problem. It's the angle measured in degrees in a clockwise direction from north. All right, so there you go. You can see how it's all drawn from north, not from, 0 degrees, the east line there, how we're used to drawing our angles. And so it tells you there the bearing of point P is 65 degrees, and we would call that north of east. All right, and here we go. Bearing from A to B, so if we have different word problems here going on, you have your angle A there on the right and B on the left. And so bearing of A from B is 65 degrees, again, because it's measured from the north angle. B from A is 245. I hope you see the difference there. Next page that I posted, this is just... Again, I borrowed this from somebody. I can't even find the PDF I had it in, so I had to take pictures, so I apologize here. But it shows you different ways of how to get the angle that you're looking for. Okay? Those are all in degrees. Other ones you want to look at? So if you had P, again, that would be 48 degrees. Next one. If it will ever focus. I'm not having grapefruit right now. That P there, it's 60 degrees from the south, so you have to add, I'm not having grapefruit right now, no. 180 plus 60, your answer is 240. That angle there from P to S is 40, but remember, it's always measured from the north. So your bearing is 140 degrees, 180 minus 40. And then your last one there, 290. I hope you're catching on. All right, this is hurting my hand to hold the paper up, but it's working. So on this page here, if you had that diagram, just talking about different ways you can write it. See in the type there, it's N 30 degrees east. So north 30 degrees east. You can also say 30 degrees east of north. Either way here for that diagram. I think that's, at this point, I hope you can figure that one out. But if not, I can come back to it later. And then on your last one here, describe each of the following berries as a direction. So if you had 76 east of north, that's your first drawing there. If I zoom in, I'm just going to leave it. For part B, 150. So 150 degrees. Remember, that's 30 degrees east of south. There you go for that one. 225, there's your visual. But you could also call it 45 degrees west of south. See, they wanted it relative to the north-south line. And 70 degrees west of north is the same as 290. I hope running through this helped a little bit. I'll keep trying with these videos, but you can see how difficult it is at the moment.